Hi, my name is Miguel. This is a simple tutorial on how to reset Windows 10 local user account password using PC Unlocker. With PC Unlocker, you can reset Windows 7, Windows 8, 8.1, and Windows 10 local user account password, including Windows Server 2003 through Windows Server 2016 administrator password. You can find the link in the description box below. We will need to create a PC Unlocker bootable disk or USB. To do that, you need to access a different computer other than the one you were locked out. When you download PC Unlocker, you'll download a zip file, just like you see on the screen. We will need to extract it to expose the content. To do that, right-click the zip file and select Extract All from the context menu. I'll extract it to my desktop for easy access and show extracted files when completed. Once we click on Extract, it'll expose the content. In this case, it is the PC Unlocker ISO. This is what we need to create that bootable disk or USB. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create both bootable devices, whether it's the USB or the disk. Let's start with the USB. Make sure you plug in the USB to the computer, then go to Disk PC and memorize the drive letter. In this case is drive E. I'll be using Rufus for this tutorial. This is a lightweight application that doesn't require any installation. You can download Rufus from the link below. Once there, just scroll down to the download section. Rufus is a free application. Once you download Rufus, go ahead and run it. Click yes to the UAC if prompted. Under device, select the USB if it's not already selected. In this case, is already pre-selected, USB drive E, and then leave the rest default. Checkmark create a bootable disk using if it's not checkmarked, and to the right of that, make sure to select ISO image from the drop-down. Then, to the right, click on that little disk icon to browse for the PC Unlocker ISO we just extracted. You can double click to select or select it and click on Open. Once done, click on Start to start creating a PC Unlocker bootable USB. This warning will come up, letting you know that all information in that USB will be deleted and replaced with the PC Unlocker information. So make sure you insert a blank USB or you have backed up any information inside that USB and click on OK. Once done, click on Close and you have successfully created a bootable PC Unlocker USB. If you go to this PC again, you'll notice that the drive name changed from USB to PC Unlocker. To create a bootable disk, all you need to do is just right-click the PC Unlocker ISO and select Burn Disk Image from the context menu. Here, select the CD burner from the drop-down if it's not already selected. Checkmark Verify Disk after burning and click on Burn. The computer, once done, it'll eject that bootable PC Unlocker disk. Once that disk or USB has been created, go to the computer you are locked out. In this case, as you can see, I can't access my PC. I totally forgot my password. You will need to restart this PC and access the BIOS to change the boot sequence to boot from that bootable media you just created. So I'll click on Start, Upon restart, you'll see a screen that comes by really fast, so you need to pay attention to it. In this case, to enter BIOS, I need to press the delete key. All computers are different. In your case, it might require a different function key, for example, F12 or F11, so pay close attention to it. In my case, again, I'll click on Settings, Boot Section. Even though our computers might be different, the boot section is on all computers. Here, I'll change the first boot device to boot from a USB. If you created a bootable disk, then select the first boot option to be the CD drive. Once done, press F10 to save settings, or in this case, X out and save settings. Once you save the settings, it'll immediately auto reboot and boot from that first boot option you selected, whether it's the USB or disk. You'll be prompted with this screen. This is extremely simple. Whether you're using a server operating system or Windows 10 like I'm doing it now, all you need to do is just select the user and then click on Reset Password button. In this case, I'll reset the password for Miguel and click on Reset Password. I can enter a new password or leave it blank. For this tutorial, I'll leave the password blank and click on OK. Once you click OK, you'll be prompted with this little pop-up. You have reset the password for Miguel. All we need to do is just remove the bootable media, again, whether it's the USB or disk, from the computer, and then click on Restart. Click on Yes to confirm, and because I didn't set a password for that user, it'll go immediately to the desktop. So you have successfully removed the password from that account. In case you added a password, then enter the new password. Thank you for watching.